So this is a newish company called Observa, and I found them on Reddit, and they said they're looking for people to sign up. And basically what it is that you have to find an opportunity located close to you. And as you can see, there's not really a lot going on near me. This is just Ontario, Canada. There are a few more internationally by the looks of it. But I'm going to go and do this one here in just a minute. So if I click on the one closest to me here, and I see that they are asking people to go to this grocery store and look at this pasta aisle. And within the pasta aisle, you'll be taking a handful of pictures and answering a few questions along the way. Estimated completion time for this observation is 15 minutes. If you have difficulty completing it, call this number. So I'm going to go down there now. I'm going to press accept and see what it does. I'm going to hop on my car and drive there because I'm going to have 2 hours to get there. It's about, for me, a 10-minute drive. So let's hop in the car and get over there, and I'll let you know what happens when I do this.
People from all walks of life and all areas can make money quickly with Observa. As an observer, you make extra money fast just recording observations of what you see. We pay between $5 and $10 for 10 to 20 minutes of your time. Most work like this takes weeks to pay you, or requires you to build up a certain amount before you can be paid. But with Observa, you get paid almost immediately. Here's how it works. First, download the Observa app to your smartphone and create an account with the same email you use for PayPal. Then, go about your daily life and receive notifications about opportunities near you, or search for an opportunity and go get it. You'll have 2 hours to complete your observation after you accept it. Once you've completed and submitted your observation, we'll review and validate it, usually within an hour. As soon as your observation is validated, we send payment to your PayPal account. It's that simple. You can observe anytime you want, as much as you want, and wherever you are, even on your way home from work or on a vacation. The only limitation is how many opportunities there are near you. Being an observer is fun, easy, and pays you fast. Download the app and get started today.
Okay, so this is asking to take photos of this items here and upload them to this, and then I guess you'll get paid the $10 when you're done. Doesn't seem that hard. Okay, here's something worth noting. When I'm going through the app, and there's an item that's not on the shelf, and you're given the choice of in stock, out of stock, or not carried. I choose not carried. It asks you for the price. I've chose 0 and I've chose nothing. And yet it still gives me an error asking me for the price, and it won't let me submit the report until I get the price. So I don't know if that's a bug in it. So I'm showing here not carried, 0 pricing, not carried, 0 pricing, very important, must allow for price to be read, there's no pricing. So I don't know what the hell they're trying to say here. Anyway, would I rate this app? Yeah, I would rate this app 0. Okay, so let's try this guy. So this Penne Lisque, whatever. It was in stock. Okay. In stock. You can see I got the price, I got the photos. Here's another one. Not carried. Satellite pricing. I didn't put anything. And I did take a bunch of photos earlier, but I can't use them. So when I go to add photos, it wants me to take the photo. Well, I just left the store. I got some groceries in my car. I'm not walking back into the store to take more photos. So Observa, I hope you keep track of this, but I'm deleting this app. It wasn't worth my time. You wasted my time. And I would not recommend this to anybody. Okay, so Observa got back to me, and here's what happened. Was apparently when those items are supposed to be $0 or they don't stock them, you're supposed to take a picture and a description, I guess, of something that's similar, like a similar product. So if they have, for example, their brand of spaghetti, they don't carry it, you find another brand of spaghetti, take a picture of it along with the picture, along with the price. So after you take a picture of the item and the price, then you hit submit. So I didn't find out about that until it was all over, and obviously the item then, or the opportunity, was gone. So I'm still not going to recommend that stupid app. It's not,
I don't like it at all. I left it a 1-star rating in the App Store. Try it if you want. Be forewarned when you go into it. It's few and far between. And that's about all I have to say on that. So if you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. And if you find these videos useful, share them around. And I do hope that we can talk again. Thanks for watching.